Hey guys, thanks for watching. This was a short cinematic test made with the OnePlus 6 and the DJI OSMO Mobile 2. We used Filmic Pro with the Cinematographer Kit that allowed to film in log, and yeah, we graded that in Premiere Pro. The Filmic Pro app allows you also to connect the OSMO Mobile 2 within the app and control with the joystick some smart features like exposure lock and focus lock. I hope you enjoyed this short cinematic video filmed with my wife. In the description there will be also a LUT log file completely free for you guys. Until the next time, see ya!